Everyone keeps talking, saying AI is replacing workers, but that's not actually what's happening. The real story, the one nobody in Silicon Valley wants to talk about, is that AI is replacing the tech stack itself. The layers of software tools and platforms we've used for decades are being quietly absorbed, automated, or made irrelevant. Search used to be the gateway to the internet. You typed something and got 10 blue links and clicked around. Now, AI already is the search engine. It summarizes and it compares, explains, it finds, it filters. It does everything search was supposed to do with the ads, the SEO, the spam, or the endless clicking. Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, they're not com- competing with each other anymore. They're competing with the answers itself. This is why tech layoffs are hitting search companies first. AI didn't replace workers, it replaced the product. Word processing, spreadsheets, slide decks, these were once billion-dollar industries. But AI already writes documents, AI already formats spreadsheets, and AI already generates presentations. The app is becoming irrelevant. The function is what matters. The AI delivers the function directly. Microsoft sees this clearly. That's why Copilot isn't a feature, it's the feature OS layer. It's the future OS layer. The interface between you and the machine, Office isn't being updated, it's being absorbed. This one surprises people. AI is slowly replacing cloud storage, not by hosting your files, but by making files less necessary. Why store documents when AI can recreate it? Why keep folders of notes when AI can summarize your entire history? Why archive data when AI can compress, rewrite, and regenerate it? Cloud storage becomes a cache, not a library. The product isn't the storage, it's the memory. This is the big one. For 40 years, the OS was the center of computing. Windows, Mac, Linux, everything revolved around them. But AI doesn't care about the OS. AI runs in the browser. AI runs on the cloud. AI runs in your phone. AI runs anywhere you can type. The OS becomes the thin shell, the bootloader, the network stack, the permission manager, the interface manager. The interface becomes AI. This is why Microsoft is quietly shifting everything toward Copilot. Not because Copilot is the feature, but because Copilot is the new kernel, the thing that you interact with, instead of the traditional OS. This is where the layoffs are coming from. AI isn't replacing programmers, AI is replacing IDEs, compilers, documentation, debugging tools, boilerplate code, IU framework, API wrappers, entire categories of libraries. Developers aren't being replaced. The tools they used to build are being replaced. AI writes the glue code. AI writes the wrappers. AI writes the scaffolding. AI writes the tests. The stack collapses downward. The sixth layer, business models. Tech companies aren't laying off workers because AI is replacing them. They are laying off workers because AI replaced the products those workers were hired to build. Search replaced, Office replaced, cloud replaced, developer tools replaced, customer support replaced, analytics replaced, automation replaced. When the product disappears, the team disappears. This is why AI companies are laying off people too. They're not immune. They're the ones doing the replacing. The seventh layer, the device itself. This is the part people don't want to believe. Can eventually replace the need for traditional computers, not the hardware, the concept. If your AI model is portable, synced, and persistent, then your phone becomes your PC, your browser becomes your OS, your cloud becomes your storage, the cloud becomes your storage, your AI becomes your interface, the device becomes irrelevant, the identity becomes the computer. This is the future of personal digital sovereignty. AI isn't replacing workers, AI is replacing the stack that the workers used to build, maintain, and improve. The tech industry isn't collapsing because people are obsolete. It's collapsing because the products are. And once you understand that, the entire future of computing becomes clear. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.